Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're diving into the world of sales and marketing with a splash of fun and a dash of wit. First up, we're exploring how AI can supercharge your selling and negotiation skills, because who doesn't want a digital sidekick? Then, we'll unravel the mystery of sales forecasting and how you can plan for future success like a pro. For all you B2B marketers out there, we're chatting about why brand strategy is more crucial than ever. Plus, we'll recap the top takeaways from our recent chat with the brilliant Laura Nguyen. And for team leaders, we're discussing how Boomerang employees can bring fresh energy to your workforce. So let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy. Let's talk about how AI is not just a buzzword, but your new B2B sales sidekick. First up, AI can supercharge your selling and negotiation skills by automating those pesky back-office tasks. Imagine spending less time on data entry and more time charming your clients. McKinsey says AI could unlock up to $1.2 trillion in productivity across sales and marketing. That's a lot of zeros, my friend. Next, AI is like your personal detective, helping you research accounts and identify key buyers. Did you know there are up to 11 people involved in a B2B buying decision? Thanks, LinkedIn editors, for that nugget. AI helps you find and profile each one, so you're always talking to the right person. Finally, AI is your training buddy, simulating sales calls and negotiations to sharpen your skills. HubSpot's Flory Needle reports that 19% of pros are already using AI for this. So, why not join the club? Remember, AI is here to enhance your skills, not replace them. Keep learning and growing. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, let's turn to sales forecasting. Trust me, it's not as dry as it sounds. First off, sales forecasting is like your business's crystal ball. It helps you predict future sales by analyzing various factors, so you can plan, manage resources, and spot opportunities or challenges before they hit you like a surprise plot twist. Now, here's a juicy tidbit. Companies with precise sales forecasts grow 13.4% more year over year than those without, according to the Aberdeen Group. That's some serious motivation to get your forecasting game on point. So, how do you start? Begin by setting clear goals and reviewing your sales processes. Consistency is key here, folks. Once you've got that down, dive into your data. Look at past sales trends, market conditions, and even consumer behavior. This will help you set actionable forecasting goals. And don't forget to embrace technology. A good CRM can give you complete visibility into your pipeline, turning data into accurate projections. So, go ahead and geek out on those digital tools. Remember, with the right approach and tools, you can forecast your way to success. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, you'll enjoy these insights about B2B branding that could totally transform your strategy. So, picture this. Your B2B accounts are pitching to buying teams that are basically like tribes. They want to make decisions without any blame game. The trick? Build brand awareness before they even start thinking about buying. It's like being the cool kid everyone knows before the party even starts. Now, here's a golden nugget from LinkedIn research. Only 5% of B2B buyers are active at any given time. So, how do you get on their radar? Well, 37% of B2B prospects already have a short list of solutions before they even reach out to vendors. So, getting on that list early is key. Think of it as getting a VIP pass to the decision-making party. And here's a fun one. Ever thought about creating a unique character for your brand? Liberty Mutual did it with an emu, and it worked wonders. Plus, don't underestimate the power of sound. Mentioning your brand name 3 times in an ad can seriously boost recall. Remember, a strong B2B brand strategy isn't just about being seen, it's about being remembered. You've got this. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and Celie Smith. In this episode, they discuss the fascinating world of career breaks with Laura Nguyen, a marketing executive turned career coach. So, here's what you need to know. First up, Laura highlights the importance of taking intentional time off. She says, slowing down and rethinking how you want to live and focus your time and energy is something I had to learn. This means using vacations strategically to recharge and reflect on your career path. Secondly, Laura talks about the stigma around career breaks. She emphasizes that often the biggest barrier is internal. We worry about what others might think, but in reality, many managers are supportive if you communicate openly about your needs. Lastly, Laura suggests using time blocking to manage your energy. She recommends setting aside 90 minutes for deep work and scheduling recovery time after intense meetings. Remember, taking a break isn't a setback. It's a step forward in managing your career and well-being. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our forfeit simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. The topic is the intriguing world of boomerang hiring. You know, bringing back those former employees who once left for greener pastures, or perhaps a little soul-searching. It's not just a trend in construction anymore, it's making waves across various industries. First takeaway, boomerang employees can hit the ground running. They've been there, done that, and got the company t-shirt. Their onboarding time is shorter, meaning they can start contributing faster than a brand new hire. That's a win for productivity. Second, these returning stars come with a fresh perspective. They've seen the world outside and can offer insights into your company's market position. Plus, they might have picked up some nifty new skills along the way. But here's the kicker. A DP reports that boomerang employees made up 35% of new hires in March, up from 31% the previous year. That's a trend worth noting. So, when considering a boomerang hire, weigh their past performance and current fit carefully. With the right approach, you can turn a returning employee into a valuable asset. Remember, sometimes the best way forward is to welcome back a familiar face with open arms. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by Celie Smith, Jessica Helensky, Rachel Cagle, Austin Richards, and Tim Londergan. And I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated.